Embezzlement. This means to cheat someone by committing some type of fraud or to divert money by deceit for one's own use. This is a very common thing among large organizations, especially in the world today, where very few people are guided with moral values. Even in such cases where the person committing the crime is aware of his actions and his conscience is warning him of the act, he will silence himself, stub out his conscience by saying that it is allowed during business, because business is played by a different set of rules. Embezzlement is haram for many reasons, amongst which the unfair gain at someone else's loss is of primary importance. We must always remember, no matter what action we do, Allah is a witness watching over us. We should not commit any unlawful act for a variety of reasons. Some include taqwa, to be ashamed of gaining Allah's displeasure, and fear of the day of judgment. Allah is not cruel. He will, if He wishes, forgive those sins committed accidentally or repented for. But due to His justice, how can we expect forgiveness for those sins we do on purpose against others?